Hi, my name is Max MacKenzie, and my startup is Prosper Water. And we take a two-prong approach of restoring oxygen to bodies of water like Biscayne Bay. An upstream approach is to improve wastewater discharge with our systems, and downstream approach is to reoxygenate a large body of water like the bay with our remote barge systems. My cohort experience was amazing. As a small team and single founder, the network was amazing. I think what was really important was the help they gave me mentally as a single founder. You're working alone, and it's a challenge every day to fight the fight. One of the greatest takeaways was the relationship they developed for us locally with Ballyhoo Media allow us to deploy our systems on those vessels. And we're just really excited to have been a part of the cohort. It was very transformative for our efforts in the stage of the company we're in right now. One word I would use to describe my Seaworthy collective experience is transformative. I think as a sole founder, it was great to be a part of the group, and their guidance for me as a new member in Blue Tech was really transformative. It helped me with the network. It helped me how to position the company, especially at the stage we are with our company right now.